a shaded region. So you have a shaded region. So what they want, I'm sure they ask you the inequality. Alright, so if this one, it will be above, right? So it's y more than x equal, and this one will be above the line, it will be y more than equal negative 5x plus 5. Alright, so how to find this line? This one should be y less than 1. Okay, you look at this line. Y equal to negative 5x plus 5. When x 0, y is 5. Substitute, because here x 0, y is 5. So because it's shaded down, y less than 5. So the answer is y less than 5. Y less than 5. Y greater than x. And then y more than equal negative 5x plus 5, right? So the answer should be state the linear inequalities other than this one. We specify the shaded region just now. So the answer will be this one, right? Y more than equal x, y less than 5. Question 24. Let's have a look of question 24. Right? Question 24. Okay, diagram 11 shows some shaded region. Right, some shaded region. Let's have a look. We have shaded region A, B, C, D, right? Now we have two equations, y equal to 6 minus x, y equal to x. Right, this is y equal to x. And then this is the y equal to 6 minus x. The gradient is negative, so the line going down. Which of the regions A, B, C, D in the diagram satisfy system linear inequalities? 6 y greater equal 6 minus x, y less than x, and x less than 6. Alright, so greater than must be above the line, less than must be below the line, solid line. This one is dotted line, less than, so it's to the left if x. If x less than is to the left. So this is x equal to 6, right? Because you see for y, how you know this is 6? You just take y equal to 6 minus x, right? Let y 0, find the x-intercept. Right, x equal to 6. So this line, I will show you. I can say this line is x equal to 6. Okay, we shade to the left. So it looks like every point is to the left. Alright, correct. So ABCD is logically is there to the left. Now, if we want to choose y less than equal x, it should be below the line here. Should be below the line here. So we will choose D or C, below the red line because of less than equal x. And then we have greater than 6 minus x. The lines y equal to 6 minus x is here, the green one. So it seems like it's point C, is above, right? Logically, it's point C is the answer. Let's circle the answer. The answer is point. Answer C is the right answer. Let's proceed to question 25. The distance time graph shows the motion of a car period 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours, right? So let's see. Okay, what the question want? Given the duration when the car is stationary was 1 hour. Stationary means stop. Determine in kilometer per hour the speed of the car in the first hour. First hour, okay. So stationary is 1 hour. So here should be 2. Different here is 1 hour, right? Stationary. So we are asking to find the speed. First hour. First hour is who? First hour is where? Let me show you. This is first hour. So we have to find the speed. Speed means gradient. This is 1 hour. So instead of find 1 hour, because they are on the same line, isn't it same line? they are on the same line, so the speed should be the same gradient, right? So we cannot find this point, we find this point. So this is, we use a point, this is 2 and 160, right? This is 0 0, right? Gradient means what? Speed 160 y2 minus 0 over x2 2 minus 0, so it's 80. 160 divided by 2 is 80 kilometer per hour, right? Even though we cannot find the point here, we can't find the gradient for this point, but because they are lines on the same straight line, this part the gradient is the same with this part. A to B, B to C are the same gradient. Gradient means speed, right? So the answer is 80. Now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, this one, calculate in kilometer per hour for the whole journey. Where is the question? The distance time graph in diagram 13 show journey of a car, distance, right? Distance. Time, here is 24-hour system, so we have to work out the time, right? So we have the average speed is distance over time. So distance is go there and then stop and then come back, so it's 75, go, come back 75. There is a time, there's a distance taken, time taken from 4:30 to 6:35. Okay, 4:30 to 6:30 is 2 hours, right? And then another 5 minutes, right? That's until 2 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, so we have to convert to hour. That means we will take 2 hours is 120 minutes, right? 120 plus 5, 125 divided by 60. Convert to hour, divided by 60. So we divide. Okay, we have 25 over 12. 25 over 12. Alright, use a fraction. So you will get 150 divided by 25 over 12 hours. This is kilometer, right? Kilometer per hour. So 150 times 12 over 25. Okay, cut here. You use 5, 5, 5, 25, 5, 3, 15, and then 5, 1, 5, 6, 72. 6 times 12 is 72 kilometer per hour, right? 72 kilometer per hour. Do you understand? You have to convert the time 2 hours and 5 minutes into you can do 2 plus 5 over 60. So 2 plus 5 over 12, 1 over 12, 5 over 60. So you have 25 over 12 hour. Okay, that is how you convert. And you must take total distance 150 kilometer divided by total time taken for the hour, and then you will get this answer. Alright, so let's proceed to question 27. The speed time graph in the diagram shows motion of a motorcycle for a period of e second. Alright, this is the speed, very important, highlight time. So what we need to do, given the total distance traveled by motorcycle is 192, value of E, okay, total distance, this is the speed. So the area representing distance, so let's find this one. You want to use trapezium, also can. I will use a triangle, which is the base here, the height here. So triangle is A1, I call A1. 1 over 2 times 6 times 32, I got 396, right? And then I'm going to find another area which is a bit challenging because it will come with an E. So this area is a rectangle. So this E is bigger than 6. So this length is E minus 6, okay? E minus 6. Why E minus 6? If you don't understand, you say this is 8, right? What's the with here? 8 minus 6, right? 2. So here you don't know, so you say E minus 6, don't know minus 6. And then this is 32. Okay, let's see. The area for the rectangle is A2, right? Let's call A2. A2 is 32 times E minus 6. So we have 32E minus 192, right? Okay, let me write properly. 192. This is area for the rectangle. Okay, we are going to add these two. A1 is 96. A2 is 32E minus 192. Alright, so the area was given 192. Okay, so we take 96 plus 32E minus 192 equal to 192, right? The total distance was given 192. So 32E, let's write again here. Alright, let's do it here. 32E is equal to, we will bring this one, add this one minus, right? 192 plus 192 minus 96. Okay, here we have 2 plus 2 is 4, 18, 384 minus 96. Okay, let's calculate. 384 minus 96 minus 8 here, 17, 8 here, 288. Alright, so we got 32E equal to 288 here. So E is 288 divided by 32. We use a 4, 48, 47, 42, 81, 89. So the answer is 9. Right, that is how you solve. Okay, you have to find the area separately. Especially for this one, you have to use a E minus 6. You cannot use 6 minus E. You must use E minus 6 and then time with the 32 to get 32 minus 192 and plus with the 96 and equal to 192, and then you solve it carefully. You will get the answer for E is 9. E is equal to 9. That's all my sharing. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.